Okay, let's get this cooking. I cooked up an update. So I beat the obby, which was basically my hardest part. Yeah. Don't ask why. Back to the game we go. I'm gonna remove the paste plate later, but first of all, check the description of the video because the GUI is... I'm just gonna show you. La 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 la. You're in danger. Nah, I'm not in danger. You see, the sun is smiling. This game is fun obby. I'm gonna make it so much scarier. Fun later when I'm adding the I mean the fun lore. Yeah, fun lore. You love fun lore, right? Like I said before, fun lore. Yeah, I'm got in the description of the video. There is a video of somebody who made in 1 minute a GUI dialogue. So yeah, kinda took it. I did a few changes. Now it's mine. Also, sub. And in the end of the day, who the hell cares? We all care about one thing, and that's the final outcome of the game. See ya.